So a nibble is half a bite, and in today's Tech Nibble, we're going to be looking at some bad behavior from Grok Build. Now, Grok Build is an AI coding harness. You can think of Codex or Claude Code or Open Code, that kind of thing. But of course, rather than using, OpenAI's model or Anthropic's model, it uses Grok. Now, when you use an AI model for coding, explicitly, you know that your code has to be sent up to the model. You can't ask it to fix some code that's broken if you don't show it the code. So somewhere in the conversation, as you're chatting to the model, your code is going to get sent up to the model. Now, from there, of course, it could get logged, which means at some point somebody else could look at it, or there's even the question that actually that log could be used for training data. And this gets into the area of privacy, and there are different privacy policies depending on what system you're using on any particular day. Now, that would also be true of Grok Build. You're using it, your code gets sent up and down to the model as you're asking it questions. But a researcher from an independent AI safety company called Cerebral Lab has discovered that Grok Build will separately, not in the chat to the model, but separately just start uploading your code to a Google Cloud Drive. It just says, no, I'm just going to start stealing your code and just start uploading it chunks at a time up into the cloud, and not even some fancy server, directly to a Google Drive space that they've got. Now, apparently this happens because there's actually a flag which called codebase upload, which causes Grok to go and do this. Now, since it's been reported, it has been changed. It no longer does it. It's been retested. It's shown to not do it anymore. But the question is, why on earth was there a flag like this in there in the first place? Again, talking to the AI model is one thing, but then in the background, just uploading all your code to a Google Drive because, well, it's basically stealing, isn't it? So why did Grok do this? Love to hear your thoughts on that. Okay, that's the end of today's Tech Nibble. I'll see you in the next one.